Kalalabas ko lang ng store, guys. What's inside my car? Hello guys. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to hold this cell phone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Joyful Rains, and today's vlog is about what's inside my car instead what's inside of my bag. So we're gonna do what's inside my car. Anyway, if ever you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And to all my friends around the world, how are you guys? I hope you guys have an awesome day. And to all our Filipino friends, mga OFW, kumusta po kayo? And sana kayo po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. And so, I'm about to go to the store, but since sinipag ako mag-vlog and I don't have any kind of content, so I've been thinking to do this, like what's inside my car, and I'm gonna show you guys. So yes, what's inside my car. And I want to give a shout out to all Filipinos, mga Team Tapat, ayan, mga friends natin dito sa YouTube world. How are you guys? So anyhow, I'm gonna show you now what's inside my car. And please don't forget to give the thumbs up again. Thank you. Here it is. Oh, right now. So here it is. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So right here, we have this calling cards in my school. Some coins over there. Para if ever I'm gonna do Uber, I have coins. Charot. I have coins. So funny. I have change. Charot. Just joking. Anyway, so I have some change there. But so it is there, and yep, there's my water. And let's see what's inside here. Okay, I think here's some papers. You know, that some important papers. And also I also put sometimes other, like if I go to school, I put some small books there or notebook, you know. And let's look on here on my driver's side. So here it is. I have baby wipes. It's a baby wipes. Well, probably you're wondering what I'm doing with this thing, but this is multi-purpose because I'm using this to clean my car. I mean, if there's a dirt, I clean with this, and if my hand is dirty as well, or anything, you know, so you never know, so it's good to have that. So I just put it there. Sorry, my you see, this is so dirty. I have to vacuum it again. Okay, let's look in here. Oopsie. There's a toys here. It's my kids for her dog. So funny. So here's my keys inside, and let's check here. Let's check. Well, look at that. I have lots of stuff in this thing, in this box thing. So I have face mask, charot, and of course this is hand sanitizer. I always buy hand sanitizer and Bath and Body Works, which I always bring it in my car because you never know, you have to, you know, keep your hands clean. And of course my what is this? Yep, my sunglasses, I'm sorry, not that. And I have a pen. Yeah, it's important to have also a pen inside your car if ever you're going to school or somewhere you need to write something, and at least you have one. Something still there's, oh, look at that, it's hard. There's still some papers inside there. And let's dig in. Let's try to dig in. Okay. Yep. Plastic notes. And oops, look at this. What is that? Oh, there it is. Oops. You can see I have red stuff in there. Yeah, that's a lipstick. Anyway, so this one is a pepper spray to those. Yes, I always keep pepper spray in the car, and because if ever I go to school, I put it in my bag. and then leave it and then bring it to the school, like walking, because sometimes you have to walk a little bit farther, in the parking lot. So I always carry pepper spray, just for protection. And then I leave it in here in the car whenever I got home. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Yep, I think that's about it. That's inside in here. Okay, let's look on the back of my car. Not really on the back. What is it in here? Let me close this one so you can see. There you go. You can see in the floor, so messy. That's a blanket. Usually during winter I put a blanket on my car because you never know if your car got stuck in the road or something happened. At least you can warm up, So I have a blanket there. Actually it's in the floor, but my son used it a while this morning. I usually folded it, so sorry for that mess. And let's see on the. So now I'm going to see. Let me show you what's inside my trunk. There it is. Some plastic bags. Because I went to the store yesterday, I just removed the gift here and put it in the paper gift bag. And there's the boat with the remote and the umbrella. Yeah, my kids playing those, so I just keep it inside the trunk. So if ever it's a good weather, then we go to the lake and let them play that. So that's my umbrella. Yep, so I keep this because if it's raining, I really don't like my carpet to be dirty, especially if you have kids, so if it rains really hard, and I put that inside in the car where the kids sit, so they could step on that instead in the carpet. So that's inside my trunk. It's not a lot. Anyway,